Welcome to the first in a series of demonstration videos designed to provide an overview of the functionality of EncomPA, the Geoscience Interpretation and Analysis Workbench. I'm going to begin this demonstration by asking some questions. How easy is it to communicate your data interpretations, to prepare the ultimate presentation, to collaborate your ideas with colleagues, or to enhance your primary data? The EncomPA suite of visualization and interpretation software products makes it easy for you to explore and interpret your project data and communicate your work and models of the Earth to others. EncomPA fills a significant gap in your software range by providing a tool that is suited to interactive interpretation and consistent presentation of the outputs from all your software applications. The dynamics, interaction, and ease of use makes this an essential tool for ensuring that you deliver the best outcomes and enjoy the experience at the same time by watching as the software transforms your exploration data into reality. With EncomPA, it is so easy to visualize and interpret your data and models by using the drag and drop capability, document wizards, or template and component libraries. For example, to use the drag and drop functionality to load a Geosoft database, open Windows Explorer at the location path for the file and use the left mouse button to drag this file into the display area of EncomPA. The drag and drop prompt dialog will appear confirming recognition of a valid file format before a spreadsheet window containing the database contents is displayed. One-dimensional visualization in EncomPA includes the display of line data in single or multiple curve profiles, with an example of a single profile currently shown. The line iterator utility allows the user to move sequentially forwards or backwards through the line list as demonstrated, or to choose a specific line to jump to. A multiple profile display is a powerful way to visualize data fields from single or multiple lines in a database. Line iteration is also available with this visualization technique. Multiple data fields can be displayed in a single track if required, and objects can be turned on or off when necessary. An advanced feature of EncomPA is the ability to use feature databases for storing anomaly point picks along lines of single-banded data, such as magnetics, polyline or three-point picks along lines of EM data, or polygonal feature picks along line data such as conductivity depth images. Other one-dimensional data displays in EncomPA are Y-line logs or strip logs for drill hole data, and graphs or scattergrams for point data sets. Line datasets, particularly processed EM, can also be displayed in section profiles, as for example conductivity depth images. These depth sections and any other vertical section data, such as geological cross-sections, can be projected into 3D for advanced visualization or integration with other data objects, and even transformed into 3D volumes. EncomPA makes it so easy to work with grids, images, geological maps, and vectors. To load a single grid image into EncomPA, simply open Windows Explorer, navigate to the file location, and use the left mouse button to drag the file into the display area of EncomPA. The drag and drop prompt dialog will appear confirming recognition of a valid file format and providing options of how to display the grid. Multiple grid images can also be displayed in 2D using the drag and drop capability. When multiple grids are selected in Windows Explorer and dragged into EncomPA, the grids can be displayed either as single 2D maps, where each grid is displayed in a separate 2D map window, or in the method being demonstrated as a 2D tiled map display. With this method, all of the grid images are displayed in the one display window and are data linked, so that if one map is zoomed in on and panned around in, the other grid image displays respond by showing the same map extents as the zoom and panned map. Industry standard vector files, including but not limited to MapInfo tab or MIF and ArcView shapefiles, can be added to the map displays also by using the drag and drop capability, and this is linked to the other map displays for zoom and panning purposes also. In any 2D grid display, there are various mapping methods available to enhance your data. It is possible to overlay grid or raster images with each other and apply transparency, or else apply contouring to a grid layer with manipulation options to color or label contours and apply density or spatial dropouts. During interpretation, it is often necessary to compare images from one data source with another. The Grid Flipper utility provides a method to do this quickly and easily in either a 2D map or 3D display by cycling the images using tool commands to rapidly replace one image with the next. There are a number of color mapping options available for grid imagery in EncomPA, as well as being able to choose from a range of standard color lookup tables or your own lookup table creations. You can apply a range of preset data transform options such as linear, bandpass, or histogram color stretch, and even decide your own user-defined data transform curve to enhance even the most subtle anomalies in the gridded data. The color stretch for each grid can also be adjusted dynamically for the current data limits, set by data zooming and panning, so that areas of interest can be analyzed with greater detail. Sun angle or intensity shading can also be manipulated for a grid image. The degree of shading around anomalies can be increased or decreased. The angle and azimuth of the light source can also be adjusted, and with the effects of each property able to be visualized in real time in the map window. EncomPA has a powerful 3D visualization and integration platform with the ability to display objects as simple as the flight lines in an airborne survey to a complex integrated geological model such as the one now being shown. This model contains data objects that have been created within EncomPA as well as others that have been imported from external software applications. 3D visualization supports data objects including 3D georeferenced images of geological maps and cross-sections, extruded 3D fault planes, Geosoft and ERMapper grid surfaces, geochemistry point datasets with various methods of display, 3D drill holes which can be color and thickness modulated by downhole information, UBC voxel models such as the IP chargeability model currently being shown, and 3D models. Thank you for watching this presentation overview of EncomPA. For more information about this product, please contact Pitney Bowes Business Insight or our representative partner in your region.